So here's how you can send really large videos that you normally can't send on Gmail. It's actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss on any critical steps. The very first thing that we need to do is open up our Gmail and then compose our email. I'm just going to send this to my alt account because I don't really have anyone else to send this to. The subject can be whatever you want. Compose your email. So normally what we would do is go ahead and click on this icon on the top right corner and then click on attach file. And then we just attach some random video. And so let's say that this time the video is too big and we can't send it. What we want to do is actually log out of our email and then go into your photos/galleries and then find the video that you want to send. Alright, so I have this random video right over here that is really big. All you have to do is go ahead and click on send. And then now this is going to pop up, and then you want to basically just send this video over to your Google Drive. So essentially what you want to do is just to send that video onto your own Google Drive, and then make sure that it's in MP4 format, and then simply click on save. So as you can see right over here, yep, it is uploading one file, so you just have to wait a little bit. We're going to go ahead and click on locate file. And so once you have found that video in your Google Drive, so now what we want to do once it has been completely downloaded is to go back into your Gmail and hit on the clipper icon again, and then instead of clicking on attach file, click on insert from drive. So it was in our recent, right over here, this is the video, click on select, and so now this can bring up a link of that video on your Google Drive. Go ahead and click on that send button just like that, and then you can also edit the sharing options, so you can make them edit, comment, or just view the video, and then simply click on send. And just like that, we have sent a video that we normally couldn't send.